guys, welcome back to another video. This is MTV Alex, and today I'm gonna start organizing all my tools into my new toolbox. No need to talk, enjoy the music, sit back, enjoy, relax. If you see something that you can say like, you should have put this on the different part, let me know down in the comments. I would like to get more feedback from you. Now, these are the scenarios. I work on my bikes and I work on my cars by myself. So I want to keep all of that accessible within reach, okay? So the bike's no big deal. I can probably have everything in one drawer, one of the big drawers right here, because it's all island head keys and maybe tool kits for that. Now everything else, I want to keep it accessible. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So this is where I stand right now. This is still not full. What I'm thinking about putting in is all my drill bits, like Phillips and all that, everything that attaches to a drill bit. Then I have my bike stuff right here. All my bits, drilling bits, my wrenches. There's gonna be miscellaneous stuff like tapes, hooks, things that I'm gonna use installing soon. My screwdrivers. Then right here I have all my sockets. 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 with specific accessories for them, or extensions, sockets, whatnot. Have my hammers right here. I was using one earlier today. And my 2 crescent wrenches, the biggest ones that I have. Oh wait, left out another mallet right here. All my types of pliers, electrical pliers, vice grip, channel locks, all that kind of stuff right there. Big pipe wrenches, monkey wrenches, 2 benders, and biggest wrenches that I have. Then I have all my sanding things, extra bolts, fasteners, things like that, twist nuts for electrical tape, screws right there, sanding blocks, everything for my polisher attachments and things like that, staples for my pneumatic gun, sanding stuff right there, and then all my power tools right there. And this is not full yet. That's empty because my drills are gonna be up there, and then I have fittings and things like that over there, and I still gotta put a few more things in there. So that is the progress that I got on my toolbox right now. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe to this channel, that way I can keep making content for y'all. If you want to support the channel, buy me a cup of coffee, link down in the description. Let me know what kind of setup you have for your toolboxes. Is that enough? Is it too big, too small? Do you get extra ones? Do you like the one with the workbench better? What do you think about this? If you have any ideas on how I can optimize the setup for my tools in there, let me know down in the description. If you haven't, please subscribe, because 93% of you are not subscribed to the channel, and I need you to be subscribed. It's free for you, and it actually is gonna help me a lot. My dogs are barking. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.